Administering your Moodle. Adding users. Firstly, note that it should not be necessary for you to manually add students to your modules. Students will be added automatically as they are picked up directly from the University Quercus administration system. This feature is primarily aimed at adding other members of staff to your modules. Secondly, you need to be aware that the user you want to add must first of all have a university account and have accessed Moodle at least once so that their username and ID are stored inside Moodle. Okay, to add new staff users then, from your module page, go to the administration block, usually in one of the sidebars, although you may have docked it in the margin of your page. Then, click on Users and Enrolled Users. At the top and bottom of the user list, there is a button, Enroll Users. Click on this button to bring up the User Search dialog box. The top of the box lets you set the role you want to give the new user. This will usually be the default role, Lecturer, but it could be Module Leader, Department Administrator, or a number of other roles. At the bottom of the box, begin typing the user's name, first name, surname, or both. Then click Search. You can search by name, username, or student ID number, or just enter a part of one of these. Of course, the more you enter, the more accurate the search will be, and the fewer matches will be presented. From the list of users that appears in the center of the box, click the Enroll button next to the user you want to enroll on your module, and when you have finished, click the Finished Enrolling button at the bottom of the box to return to your page. If instead of this you go to the User Enrollment Methods link and click on the Enrolled Users icon from there, you'll see a slightly different page. However, the principles are the same. Make sure the role is correct in the center of the page. Search for your users in the box on the right. Select them from the list of users that appear, and then click Add to enroll them to your module. Your users will now have access to your module with whatever role you have given them. If they're already logged into Moodle, they may have to log out and back in to pick up the new module enrollment. If you want to add or change the roles you have given to a user or your own role, please see the separate video about that.